Hi friends, please consider like and subscribe to get all the inspiring best motivational quotes. Thanks, take care.
1. No need to hurry. No need to sparkle. No need to be anybody but oneself. Virginia Woolf 2. Stress is an ignorant state. It believes that everything is an emergency. Nothing is that important. Natalie Goldberg 3. I just give myself permission to suck. I find this hugely liberating. John Green 4. There is only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will. Epictetus 5. Anxiety does not empty tomorrow of its sorrows, but only empties today of its strength. Charles Spurgeon 6. How much pain have cost us the evils which have never happened. Thomas Jefferson 7. We must have a pie. Stress cannot exist in the presence of a pie. David Mamet 8. Anxiety is a thin stream of fear trickling through the mind. If encouraged, it cuts a channel into which all other thoughts are drained. Arthur Summers Roche 9. Nothing diminishes anxiety faster than action. Walter Anderson 10. Just when the caterpillar thought the world was ending, he turned into a butterfly. Magumdhirnabi 11. Nothing in the affairs of men is worthy of great anxiety. Plato 12. You cannot always control what goes on outside, but you can always control what goes on inside. Wayne Dyer 13. Your mind will answer most questions if you learn to relax and wait for the answer. William S. Burroughs 14. Not everything that weighs you down is yours to carry. Magumdhirnabi 15. Anxiety is the dizziness of freedom. Soren Kierkegaard 16. Do what you can, with what you've got, where you are. Theodore Roosevelt 17. Anxiety's like a rocking chair. It gives you something to do, but it doesn't get you very far. Jodi Picoult 18. Life is 10% what you experience and 90% how you respond to it. Magumdhirnabi 19. Anxiety was born in the very same moment as mankind. And since we will never be able to master it, we will have to learn to live with it, just as we have learned to live with storms. Paolo 21. Feelings come and go like clouds in a windy sky. Conscious breathing is my anchor. Thich Nhat Hanh 22. You don't have to control your thoughts, you just have to stop letting them control you. Dan Millman 23. People become attached to their burdens sometimes more than the burdens are attached to them. George Bernard Shaw 24. It's not time to worry yet. Harper Lee 25. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl, but by all means, keep moving. Martin Luther King Jr. 26. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. Anne Lamott 27. My anxiety doesn't come from thinking about the future but from wanting to control it. Hugh Prather